Wow, Amber, your rainbow looks good. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, let's put it on the plate. Mommy, can you help me, please? Whoa, I just want to eat it right now. Which one is better, Maria's or mine? Let's do the next one. Okay, the next one. Let's see what chocolate. I got a Christmas tree. She get a heart emoji. Now let me make my Christmas tree. Let me get my brown. I'm gonna add a little hearts. And this one I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do little hearts right here. Now, okay, I'm gonna put purple now inside. So after that, I'm going to make something. Let's wait for it to cook. Flip it over. Oh, you're so cute. Wow, Leah, yours looks so good. Let's do the last one. Let's see. Let's see what I get. Let's see, I get a good one. Candy cane, yes. And I got a, what do you call it? I got a ice cream. Wow, Leah, you're doing very good. Now we just have to wait for this to get cooked. Wait, it looks like my pot is ready. Mine is a little burned. Thank you. It's a little burned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notifications. Peace.